Ever wondered how to perfectly frame your shots and get rid of all unwanted areas in your video? Then stick around because today I'm going to show you how to easily crop videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting my time, let's dive straight into the project. Now, open your project and first what you gotta do is just drag your projects into the timeline. I've already done that. The next thing is locate effects. So if you can't locate it, just go to window and look for effects. So here is mine. The next thing that you need to do is to just locate or just type crop in the effects panel. Crop should be under transform. Drag it onto your footage. It's on it. So now pay massive attention to what I'm going to teach you because this is going to change your life forever, starting from today. Now, if you want to crop your video, you don't have to stress yourself. The first thing, we have so many ways of cropping a video, but I just got two for you today. So you just click on the crop feature at effects control. If you can't locate your effects control to, you click on window and you locate effect control, effects control. So here's mine. All right. Now you click on the crop feature that you drag on the footage. You can see there are some dot or there are some rectangle around your footage of your video. So if you drag it to the right, basically you're cropping it. If you drag it to the left, up, down, anyway, basically you're just cropping your video. Do you understand? And we have also another way of cropping. Below the crop you can locate, we have left, top, right button. If you increase the percentage, is going to crop as the rest. So if I increase the percentage to 100, everything is going to disappear. We don't want that. So you increase the percentage beside the place that you want to crop. So here, you want to crop from the left, just locate the left feature. If you want to crop from the top, you locate the top feature. If you want to crop from the right, you click on the right feature. If you want to rotate from the bottom, you increase the bottom feature. It's just simple as that. So this is a recap. If you want to crop a video, the first thing that you need to do is to locate effects panel and type in crop and drag your crop feature on your footage. When you drag it on your footage, it's going to be activated in the effect control panel. You locate it there and you click on the crop feature. And as you hit on the crop feature, you are going to have the crop features around your footage. And that is what you are going to use to crop your video. Simple as that. If you have had any value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Drop a comment below if you have any question or you want me to do a tutorial on a specific title or a specific topic. Drop a comment below if you have a specific question that you'd like me to answer or if you want me to do a tutorial on a specific topic. Adios.